Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As we begin our comprehensive analysis of the Supreme Court of Pakistan and the High Court, Lahore High Court, Lahore, judgments presented by the Sadhana Law Associate, in this detailed examination, we aim to unravel the key legal principles and insight established by courts, offering a clear understanding of the case and its wider implication. Our analysis will guide you through the intricate judicial reasoning and its impact on future legal interpretations. Today's analysis of the judgment is 5770-2024 of Lahore High Court, Lahore. Case overview. In this writ petition, which was filed by Muhammad Asad Mahmood against the government of Punjab, challenging the legality of multiple detention order passed under Theory 1 of West Pakistan Maintenance Public Order 1960 MPO. These orders targeted several individuals who were allegedly involved in activity threatening public safety and peace. The petitioner argued that detention was politically motivated as the detainees were affiliated with political party. Key legal issues: validity of detention order. Core issue was whether the detention order was lawfully passed under Section 3 of MPO. This section allows preventive detention to maintain public peace, but petitioner challenged that their orders lacked proper justification and were based on vague and broad accusation. Alternative remedy. The respondent, represented by the law officer, argued that petitioner should be dismissed because the detainee appeal was pending before the Home Secretary. They asserted that there was an alternate remedy available which rendered the High Court petition premature. Previous criminal record of detainee. The respondent submitted that the individual detained had a history of criminal activity which justified their detention to prevent further disturbance. District Police Officer and Deputy Commissioner of Rahim Yar Khan referred to their involvement in anti-state campaigns as the reason for their detention orders. Court reasoning. The court rejected the alternate remedy argument, stating that detention orders were inherently defective. Judgment emphasized that preventive detention laws must be construed strictly and the justification for such order must be based on clear specific facts. Court found that the detention orders were based on broad generalized allegations such as participation in an anti-state campaign without providing specific evidence or linkage these individuals to criminal activities directly related to public safety. Additionally, the court noted that vague terms like coercion, combative were used without any supportive factual basis, rendering the detention order flawed and legally unsound. Further, the court highlighted that previous criminal records, even if present, don't automatically justify preventive detention unless there is a clear and compelling evidence that the detainee posed as immediate threat to the public safety. The trial referred past judgment Mr. Arshad Ali Khan versus Government of Punjab 1994 SCMR 1532, where it was established that mere registration of criminal cases does not justify preventive detention. Malice in law and abuse of power. Court observed that the use of vague and generic language in the detention order indicate malice in law, where power were exercised to collateral purpose, not aligned with the objective of the MPO. The misuse of power amounted to the violation of fundamental rights guaranteed under the Constitution, specifically Article 10, which provides safeguard against arbitrary preventive detention. The court also referred the case of Begum Nazir Abdul Hamid versus Federal Government PLD 1974 Law, page 7, emphasizing that preventive detention must not be used as tool for political ulterior motive, and when the purpose behind such detention is not aligned with the law, it deems mala fide. Conclusion. Court declared the detention order illegal and directed the immediate release of the detainee, stating their continuous detention was a violation of their fundamental rights. The judgment highlights the importance of adherence to the legal standard required for preventive detention and the danger of its misuse. Implications. Judgments serve as a critical reminder for law enforcement and administrative authorities that the power to detain individuals under preventive detention law like MPO must be exercised with extreme caution. The absence of specific evidence and reliance on generalized accusation cannot justify the curtailment of an individual liberty. Moreover, the ruling reinforces that political affiliation or past criminal records without clear and present danger to public safety cannot be used as a ground for detention. Key takeaway. Judgment reinforces the principles that preventive detention must be based on specific concrete facts, not broad, vague allegation. Courts must firmly reject the notion that